Welcome back to FasTrax Cars. I'm Kevin Matlo, and I've got Peter here with an unbelievable 1974 Gremlin, very custom. Peter, welcome to my channel.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about your car.
Well, I bought it about 12 years ago, and when I bought it, it was rattle canned, in other words, spray bombed.
Yeah.
So it's come a long way, but I'm a retired mechanic, so I've done a fair bit of work with it.
Excellent, excellent. So it didn't start out in very nice shape. It was a project car.
It was there, but it was a project car. And the person who owned it didn't know anything about cars.
Yeah.
So I've got all kinds of mechanic stories that we're not going to get into right now.
Yeah, not a problem, not a problem. So when you started out, the first thing you said was, I got to clean it up. Was the engine running?
It had a different V8 in it.
Yeah.
Had a early or late 60s, I should say, 343 in it, which is an AMC engine, but not proper for a Gremlin. And it had the 4-speed in it. So had problems with that engine without trying to keep it a short story. And my wife said, I wanted to rebuild it. My wife said, no, you're not. I've had both shoulders replaced.
Yep.
So she said, you're not lifting those heavy heads.
No kidding,
Can't you buy a new motor? And I'm going, no. Not, but luckily this motor came up for sale.
What engine's in this car now?
It has a 401, which is an American Motors engine.
Yeah.
And it's 40 thou over.
Okay.
So it's actually 409, but don't want to confuse the Chevy guys.
Yep. Yeah, absolutely. And what kind of horsepower is that pushing out now?
A stock 401 is about 335 horse.
Wow.
So this is probably edging towards 400 because forged pistons, 40 thou over, roller rockers, headers.
Yeah.
And that, so it can get out of its own way.
Absolutely, absolutely. It fits in nice too.
Well, these came with a V8, but it was like a 304.
Right.
But it's the same size motor. It's like a small block Chevy.
Yep.
Block is the same size.
Okay.
Larger displacement. And that. So yeah, not a big problem. Putting it in and kind of works.
So the motor's new. What was the transmission like? It's a 4-speed.
Yeah, it's a Borg-Warner T10, which is an original American Motors out of probably an AMX or a Javelin.
Yeah.
And so it's still there. I've rebuilt it.
Yeah.
Changed the rear end to a Ford because I got tired of playing with the AMC.
I bet. Yeah.
So it's whatever.
And the frame was in good shape, bad shape?
Well, they're unibodies.
Yeah.
So when I put this motor in, I also put in frame connectors.
Right.
So that it won't twist.
Yes. Yeah. And you put a lot of torque into this now, so you need to have more rigidity.
And this is a Southern Ontario car.
Oh, really? Okay.
Because I'm from Southern Ontario.
Okay, yeah.
So that's the way that goes.
Absolutely.
Actually, if we get around to the back, I can show you the nameplate for the dealership that it came from.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, and point is, that's where I started my apprenticeship.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it turns out that way.
At the same dealership?
Yeah.
Wow, isn't that a coincidence?
Yeah, I had fun trying to find the nameplate for it.
Yeah.
So.
Excellent. And the suspension on it?
Beefed up rear suspension, rear springs were re-arced, and extra relief put in to apply traction.
Okay.
And it's got slapper bars.
Okay. Yeah.
For traction, rebuilt the whole front end.
Okay.
You know, replaced all the bushings, et cetera, et cetera.
Yeah.
Had to replace all the window, not just the door seals.
Yeah.
Where the window goes up and down, it's just brittle, falling apart.
Yeah.
And trying to find those was fun.
No kidding, yeah. Well, especially with the 74, I mean, they're getting a little long in the tooth now.
Motors.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're particular.
Excellent. So it's full leather interior.
Yeah, it had original seats in it. And like I mentioned, I've had both shoulders replaced.
Yes.
So it was not comfortable.
No.
So these are out of a BMW.
Okay.
And they're power, so you can tweak them.
Yeah.
And all the rest. The center console, because I need someplace to put coffee and the
Yep.
armrest
Of course.
is out of a 2004 Acura that I modified.
Excellent. And it's got the classic 8-track.
Oh, you bet. Well, it's a 70s car.
It's, of course, it has to have an 8-track.
Yeah.
Excellent. And so, and the brakes. Now, the brakes in this car, they weren't discs 4 around.
No, they were originally drum brakes.
Yeah.
And the rear brakes were bigger than they were supposed to be, because
Yeah.
I think the rear end was out of a station wagon. So when you hit the brakes, you never knew if it was going to go right or left. Yeah, it was kind of a don't hit the brakes too hard and pray.
Yeah.
And so it's now 4-wheel disc.
Excellent. Excellent. So a little bit more stable, a little bit more controllable. It's predictable.
Predictable. It just stops in a straight line.
Absolutely.
And it's just much, much nicer.
Better to drive.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, it's got the original AMC front brakes
Okay.
that the car would have had.
Yeah.
And the rear brakes are, like, when I just put in the Ford rear end, it's got 4 discs
Yeah.
on the back.
Excellent. So they stop now.
Yep.
They stop. And the exhaust on it. Excellent. Look at that.
Those are original 70s Thrush side pipes.
Excellent.
You can't buy them.
Yeah.
You can't find them.
No.
So, nah.
That's fantastic. So it sounds good as well.
It's not, like, I'd prefer the sound of 3-inch Flowmasters,
Yeah.
but they don't look good.
No.
So this is where I started my apprenticeship back in the 70s.
Wow.
And as it turns out, when I bought the car 12 years ago and I looked through the paperwork, this is where the car came from.
That's amazing, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Went full circle.
Well, I had fun finding the plate.
Yeah.
There's a whole story behind that too.
Yeah.
But
Tough to find.
yeah, I was looking for it for 2 odd years.
Wow.
And keeping the story fairly short, I saw a Gremlin with one riveted on.
Yeah.
And I asked the owner about that, and she told me about having bought it there. We talked about the boss, and then I said, as we were leaving, I said, "You're lucky yours is riveted on," because I've been tempted to steal it. I've been looking for it for 3 years. She reaches into her glove box and hands it to me.
Wow.
Well, when they originally bought the car, they got it home, they took it off, because that's the way they were. When they took it back in for the first service, when they got it back, it was one riveted on, because that's the boss.
Yep.
He would, how dare you take off my nameplate?
Yeah, you're not taking this one.
Right.
Yeah.
So that was fun.
It's a beautiful, beautiful car. Custom painted as well. What color was it when it first started?
It was basically the same colors.
Yeah.
But it was spray bombed.
Spray bomb, yeah.
So
Yeah.
kind of looked good from 40 feet.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. And the stripe was the stripe and the blue on the hood and the red on the side was your choice, or?
It was originally sort of like that. The guy had done it that way, but I refined it, changed the hood scoop,
Yeah.
and made it so that, to me, it's what I thought that American Motors should have put out as a special model.
The car should have been.
So I don't know if you saw the ripper on the side.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Fantastic. And so the car, it's obviously good to drive. It's good on the highway.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'd probably put 1,000 miles a year on it.
Yeah. Not much.
No, not a lot.
Yeah.
It's not a daily driver.
It's a pleasure car, show car.
Yep.
You put a lot of work into it. Thank you for showing me your car. I do appreciate your time.
Okay.
If you're an automotive enthusiast like we are, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos go live. We post videos weekly, and this is completely free.